Howdy students, welcome to day 3. I'm sorry this video is a little bit late, but without further ado, let's talk about your work for today. So for writing today, you have a prompt about the story that you read this week, where Eric's father encouraged Eric to think about the things that he could do and describe a time when you were determined to accomplish something. Was there anything stopping you? So Eric was blind, and that was stopping him from achieving his task or his goals of wrestling and whatever. But he didn't let it stop him. He found ways to wrestle still, to climb Mount Everest, to become a teacher, to become a coach. How inspirational. Amazing. So, what's something that you've had in your life that you wanted to do, but it was hard? Maybe for school, you want to learn and want to do good in school, or do well in school, but maybe you just have a hard time focusing. Or maybe you want to be an athlete and you get an injury or something. Um, there was a time in my life when I wanted to run a half marathon, but I had an injury in my back and hips, and it was really hard to run. But I worked hard and I did the practice that my physical therapist said and strengthened my muscles again and let them rest. And then I was able to run the half marathon later than I wanted, but I was still able to accomplish my goal. So, what's a time in your life that was kind of the same? What was something that you wanted to do, but it was hard to do it? Maybe something blocking you is your parents' permission. Maybe you want to have a YouTube channel, but your parents won't let you. Tell me about it and any obstacles that you're facing. Next, for measurement today, um, you're going to use this map to help you. Now, notice it's in yards and feet, so be aware of that. Now remember, there are 3 feet in 1 yard. So 3 feet, 1 yard. Okay, so then what is the distance between Camp Evergreen and Camp Birch? So we have to find them. Okay, the distance, according to this map, is 1,760 yards. So we just write that in the answer place. Okay, Camp Birch and Base Station is about what? Okay, so now we have all of these. So we don't need to go to Camp Maple because that's just 9 feet away from Camp Birch, not really on the path to the base station. So we go do 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 do. You have to add, but notice that this is in yards, not feet. So we have to multiply this by 3 to make sure that it's in feet. Anyway, so about how many feet is between Camp Birch and the base station? And then there's some more problems like that. Um, so would you use inches, feet, yards, or miles to measure the length of a hiking trail? Which one makes the most sense? Same here. Okay, now you have the weight, and it's kind of hard to see, so there's a hint here that says the last number before the arrow is 14 ounces. And so you have 14, it's probably about 15, but that's for you to decide. Then you have some more weight. We're doing ounces and pounds instead of grams like last week. And then you're picking the correct unit for a package of butter weighs about 16 ounces, pounds or tons. And then after you do the correct unit, boom, you're good to go. Next, let's see. For the Journeys workbook today, this one is a little bit tricky, this word sort. It's kind of like word study, but a little bit different. So you need to sort the words into the section that it matches. So brought. Okay, brought, ought. Does ah rhyme with paw? Or does uff rhyme with puff? Or ah rhymes with paw, off, aff rhymes with staff? Okay, so brought, bra, ah, ought, pa, ah, ought. That sounds more like paw than puff. Okay, so then maybe laugh, laugh, laugh. That rhymes with staff. Perfect. And so you're going to go through each of these words and listen to how it sounds and sort them into the correct categories. And then you're going to use this list and write the word that completes the sentence. a mother and her rough, a mother and her cough, mother and her daughter. That one probably makes the most sense. So a mother and her daughter had a problem. And you're just going to do that for the rest of this um, Journeys workbook. Okay. I hope that works for you guys. I hope you don't have any questions, but if you do, feel free to email me, to reach out. I hope you had a great Star Wars day in Cinco de Mayo. Now today is Revenge of the Sixth or Revenge of the Sith. You could probably tell I like Star Wars. Anyways, have a great day. And don't forget to wish Layton a happy birthday on that birthday board. Thanks. Bye.